Did you know that many people in Japan use a simple kitchen remedy to ease cough, clear mucus, and open their airways without relying on expensive medicine? Hi, I'm Gabriel K. Luma, here to help you live healthier with natural ingredients right from your kitchen. Boil 1 cinnamon stick, a few pieces of onion, a couple of garlic cloves, a slice of orange, some ginger, and a slice of lemon. Let it simmer until the aroma comes out, then drink it warm twice a day. This soothing mix helps break down phlegm, make breathing feel lighter and easier, calm inflamed airways, and reduce coughing. Try this for 3 days and feel the difference. Follow and subscribe to stay healthy every day.